Hi, my name's Ross. Welcome to AEG Motorhomes. Today I'm working on a hobby van exclusive motorhome. Come along and see how we clean it. So this pad's really soft, as you can see, which is okay for bodywork and the side panels. But on the roof, there's loads of black spots. So this one's really dense, harder foam, harder cutting. You can see the difference. So this is how the roof should look, whereas that's really smooth compared to the, I don't know if you'll catch that on the sound. That's really rough, and then you got this. What do we do this part here? And a van this size, probably about an hour and a half to clean the outside thoroughly. The roof, the bodywork, all the under the arches. If it needs re-siliconing, possibly about a day. It means you've got to cut all the silicone out carefully, clean all that off. And the day after it'll be mopping, so it should take a day to mop, if that. Yeah, it just seals all the panels back in. This side's been done by a colleague of mine up here. On the other side of the van, that's where I've cut that side out at the top up there. That needs to be re-siliconed. We'll go all the way along. On that side, there's an awning, so there's not a lot to do. This side, right up to there, that bit that's been blobbed in there. Cut that out. All around the cab's been cut out as well. All down here, just to make it brighter again. And this was one whole piece of silicone all the way around the front of the cab. All the way around. So what I'll do, we'll get some sort of ladders or steps of some sort. Silicone all the way across. Just gives it a new lease of life. It will stand out once I've silicone with brand new white silicone, mop the front of the cab. Yeah, so they've brought this, I think, I'm not too sure if it's a part exchange or they've brought it in an auction. It's coming, it's been in the workshop, it's had its habitation, MOT, I'm guessing, service. Then it comes to us, we're the final people before it goes onto the pitch for sale. This will be back out this week. I quite actually like the interior. It's very dated, but it's different. You've got all the wood grain dash and it's very different, but it's in keeping with the van, isn't it? Well, but this was in the workshop for a couple of weeks and you look at it, you know, it looks tired, it needs a new lease of life, which is what we try to do. So what I do this section now, because then you'll see in the physical light, a flat panel compared to a glossy panel. So as you can see with that, you've got quite a big difference. The gloss level from the light, yeah. But these take less than a day to fully valet because they're clean from factory. So we literally wash the outside, bring it in, dry it, quickly vacuum all the dust up that they've drilled, where the hinges go and things like that inside of the cupboards. So they've drilled with their drills, left dust in the cupboard. They do vacuum what they can up. Then we come in, vacuum the rest of the mess up, sweep all the cupboards out with a brush. So it's virtually brand new. I get it as, if I was buying that van, it'd be like my car, how I wash my car. It's gotta be, yeah, okay, it might take a little bit longer, but then you get a job satisfaction. So you can see the amount of dirt that's actually coming off the roof. And then I'll go down in a little bit and clean off the pad. I'd personally keep it clean to stop all the algae growth, all the green. Keeps the seals clean, and obviously with the vents, to stop them building up and then the water piling in, because some of them are covered in leaves, especially in all the grooves, they're all covered with algae, then water will traverse into them. just cleaning out all this dirty. There you go. Should look like that. But at the moment up here, it's all just ingrained dirt. So a bit of panel wipe in the bottle, toothbrush, and eventually just bring it up to almost new again. It's just something I like to do. When you get it right and it comes out really glossy, you're like, okay. Yeah, when you step back and you go, okay, now you can see the difference. Yeah.